In the silent darkness beyond our solar system, Voyager 2, Earth's farthest explorer, continues its lonely journey. For decades, it sent back data from the edge of the sun's influence, then a steady heartbeat from interstellar space. But on January 28, 2026, that heartbeat changed. A new, structured message arrived. Intelligent, not a malfunction, but a reply. The world was stunned. Scientists raced to decode it, realizing this was a turning point. A targeted communication from a non-human intelligence. For the first time, we are participants in a galactic conversation. The message is a mirror, reflecting our hopes and fears about the unknown. The universe has spoken, and our story has entered a new chapter. The question now, what will we do next? To grasp the gravity of this moment, we must look back to 1977. NASA launched Voyager 1 and 2, seizing a rare planetary alignment for a grand tour of the outer planets. Voyager 2's path took it past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, our only close-up look at the ice giants. Built with 1970s technology, it survived radiation, cold, and the vacuum of space, far outlasting its original mission. After Neptune, Voyager 2 pressed on toward interstellar space, crossing the heliopause in 2018. It became our only direct probe of the space between stars, sampling the interstellar medium. Voyager 2 is more than a machine. It's a symbol of our curiosity and courage. Its journey is our journey, carrying our hopes into the cosmos. Its instruments were expected to fall silent by 2025, but it has defied expectations. That's what makes the recent message so profound. It was our oldest explorer, at the very edge, that received it. Bolted to Voyager 2 is the Golden Record, a time capsule, a greeting to any extraterrestrial civilization. Conceived by Carl Sagan, it's a cosmic handshake. Images, sounds, greetings in 55 languages, and music from across Earth. The record includes a map to our solar system, instructions for playback, and a message of peace. For nearly 50 years, it travelled in silence, a monologue sent into the void. No one expected a reply. The idea that something could find, understand, and answer the record was fantasy. But now, the handshake has been met. The monologue has become a dialogue. Our message in a bottle has been answered. The universe has reached back. At the Deep Space Network, giant antennas listen for faint signals from our robotic explorers. On January 28, 2026, Voyager 2's signal suddenly stopped, replaced by silence. Engineers suspected a hardware glitch and prepared to send reset commands. But then, Voyager 2 began transmitting again. This time, a compressed, complex burst of information. The signal's structure was mathematical, repeating, and clearly intelligent. It was as if something had taken control of Voyager 2's transmitter. The initial reaction was disbelief, then focused excitement. The data wasn't random. It had a syntax, a rhythm, a language, just not one we knew. The world's top cryptographers and scientists were summoned. A message from the stars, sent through our own probe, had arrived. The race to decode it began. Decoding the Voyager 2 signal was a global effort, uniting experts and supercomputers. The breakthrough came when a team recognized the pulsar map from the Golden Record embedded in the signal. The sender understood our map, our way of communicating location and time. Using it as a key, the team unlocked the message advanced scientific data, a detailed map of the local interstellar cloud. But the second layer was chilling. A trajectory of a massive, dense object, moving at a significant fraction of light speed, heading toward our solar system. The message included projections of catastrophic disruption, planetary orbits disturbed, atmospheres stripped. It was a warning, not a greeting. No introduction, just an urgent alert. Danger is coming. We saw your map. This is what is headed your way. The world was left in stunned silence. The most profound and terrifying discovery in human history had just been made. The universe had sent us a warning. Who sent this message? Analysis suggests it was injected into Voyager's system by a nearby, technologically advanced entity. They intercepted, understood, and manipulated our probe with surgical precision. The data they sent was far beyond our capabilities, evidence of a deep, long-standing presence in this region of space. They are not distant observers, but galactic neighbours. Their first act was not conquest, but warning, a gesture of cosmic altruism. Perhaps they are guardians, or simply observers who intervene only when catastrophe looms. Whatever their nature, their purpose is clear: our survival. The universe is not empty, and we are not alone. The scientific impact is staggering. The message's data upends our understanding of the galaxy, revealing new forms of energy and gravitational interactions. The rogue object's arrival is decades away, but the challenge is immense. How do we deflect something so massive, moving so fast? This will drive a technological revolution, new propulsion, energy sources, AI and robotics. The warning is a catalyst, forcing us to innovate at unprecedented speed. Technologies developed for this threat could solve problems here on Earth. The existence of the messenger opens a new field, xenotechnology. Understanding how they manipulated Voyager could transform our science. Humanity's focus has shifted from listening for signals to decoding the technology that just visited our doorstep. The Voyager 2 message shook not just science, but all of society. NASA's announcement was met with awe, fear, and disbelief. The United Nations formed the Aegis Initiative, a global consortium to coordinate a response. The cost and scale demand unprecedented international cooperation. Socially, there's a surge in scientific interest, but also anxiety and new philosophies. The messenger, nicknamed the Watcher, has become a symbol of hope and mystery. Economically, a new space race has begun. This time, humanity versus a deadline. The central question is no longer profit, but survival. We stand at a crossroads. Voyager 2's journey has led to the most monumental discovery. We are not alone, and we are in danger. Yet, the warning is also a sign of hope. Proof that someone out there values life. The threat is external, but the solution must be internal. Can we unite to face a common challenge? The coming decades will test our character and cooperation. The story of Voyager 2 is now the story of our first contact with the galactic community. Our message of peace has brought back a message of warning. The universe is more wondrous and more perilous than we imagined. The journey continues, but now the conversation has begun. It's humanity's turn to answer.